Okay, so after receive, first put battery, radio on, and for the spark, here, put battery and lock it. So let's see, so the light pushing forward, backward, flashing, backward, holding again, flashing stop, forward, holding, flashing, forward, holding, another flashing, forward, holding, stop, flashing, and return to middle. Sound. Pushing to forward, low speed gear. Backward. Middle speed. It's gonna be very fast, so high speed. Slowly engage, speed up. Shifting back to low. Okay, that's all the functions. Turn off and disconnect the battery, power off the radio.